In this tutorial, we'll set up layers and processing parameters in TOOCAA Studio. Use line colors to separate layers. Set the CAD details for engraving. Set the outer circle and hanging hole for cutting. Same colors stay in one layer. Set the CAD details to engraving. Set the outer circle and hanging hole to cutting. Each layer has its own mode, speed, power, and pauses. Fill engraving also includes interval settings. Mode determines how the selected layer will be processed. Lower speed or higher power usually creates a deeper result. More pauses can help process thicker materials, but may also increase burn marks. A smaller interval creates denser engraving but takes longer. For TOOCAA materials, start with the recommended settings and adjust if needed. Use the icon to show or hide a layer. Hidden layers won't be processed. Place engraving above cutting, so engraving happens first and the material stays in position. The engraving and cutting settings are ready. Next, we'll test material settings and start processing.